So recording. So this is geometric sequence. Arithmetic sequence is already completed for us. Okay. So now to get from one term to the next, you multiply the by common ratio. What do you mean by that? Let's say they gave you some values. Let's say in this case it's 2, 4, 8, 16. They are not, they don't have any common difference. What do you mean a common difference? In O level you did and A level also you did. Common difference is second value minus the first value. But here there is nothing like that. Okay, so you need to divide the second value divided by the first value. What is 4 divided by 2? 2. What is 8 divided by 4? 2. 2. What is 16 divided by 8? 2. So you have, now you call, they have something in common now. What is it? That you have to multiply everything by 2, get the next value, right?
Yes.
Okay, so your 2 is your what? Common ratio. The 2 is the common ratio, and common ratio is given by the letter R. Okay, understood. Now let's go to geometric sequence over here. Has a common ratio. Now let's find this one. How do you find the common ratio? Again, second value divided by the first value, third value divided by the second value, and fourth value divided by the third value. How much is it? What's the value you guys are getting? Let me know.
1/3.
1 by 3. 1 by
3.
3. So this is 1 by 3 over here. Okay, common ratio. Fine. Let's talk about the next one. This is also pretty easy. Second value divided by the first value. Third value divided by the second value, and so and so. And the common ratio, how much? It's minus 2. Okay, everyone online understood what's going on here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, the formula for geometrical sequence is a r raised to n minus 1. Okay, a is the first term. A is the first term. Okay, r is the common ratio. Okay, r is the common ratio, or n is how much term is it? Is it first term? Is it second term? Is it third term? Is it fourth term? What are you trying to find? That is your n, nth term basically. Understood? Yeah, done. Okay, now
Yeah.
they gave you these. I think you guys can do this on your own. Okay, they said find the 10th and nth term over here. So 10 এর জায়গায় n এর জায়গায় n 10 দিবে, আর এখানে n এর জায়গায় কি দিবে? n দিবে. This is 10. Here in place of n you're going to substitute 10. Here in place of n you're going to give n only, because they want nth term equation from you. Try this on your own. I'll come and solve it for you. Okay, pause the record. Okay, so okay, let's try. Let me do the a part. A part in mode, what is the common difference, common ratio in a part? 2 2 now. So they said to find the 10th value. So if they said us to find the 10th value, to me a is what? 3 na. A is 3. 3 common ratio koto? 2 raised to n minus 1. Money 10 minus 1 is 9. How much are you guys getting this? 1536. ঠিক আছে? এরপরে if you're having, now you have to do the b part. They said nth value. Same thing here, but in this case you're going to 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, that's your nth value. That's your equation. There is nothing else you can do. 3. If you want n 2 raised to n, divide by 2. Yeah, 3 by 2, 2 raised to n most probably. Okay, no, the way it is as it is. 6 cannot. There is a power on top. How will you multiply the bottom? There is a power over there. Understood? Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next one. Okay, chalo. Let's go to the next one now. Next one is okay. Let me see whether I'm able to do the next one or not. They have 10th value. Okay, what is the common difference here? Minus 0.5. Okay, there you go. Minus 0.5. So if you put it in the calculator, are you guys getting this answer? 5 by minus 64. Online, everyone, you guys are getting that answer? 5 by 64. To me, sum? Enough? You doing the sum? Okay. Now let's go with the nth term. Look, nth term. 40 into blah blah blah. They are doing this. 40. Okay. 5 into 8. 2 cube. 2 raised to n. Okay. They made it up very complicated over here. Is there any other way you can do it? By the way, they want nth term, no? Mm. I think they're writing this is more than enough. Like why they had to go over here? Did they say to simplify? N term following geometrical sequence. They didn't say to simplify. I think you can keep your answer as it is. You don't need to simplify so much. We can go to the next sum. Like in the examination, I don't think so. This solution will come naturally to you guys. This particular part over here. How they get 8 ke aur 2 cube banai this say. Then suddenly they made 5 divided by 2n minus 4. Okay, they showed all the steps over here though. Do you want me to show this? All of you? Okay then. Let me copy paste it and show you one. Yeah, so they said 40 into, can we write minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n into 2 raised to minus 1. Can I do this? Can I do this? 2 raised to n minus 2 raised to minus 1. Okay, fine. Because this 2 na 2 raised to n, okay, into 2 raised to minus 1. You know na? Okay. If I bring this 2 on the top side, can I do 40 into minus 1 into 2 raised to 1? Because this goes on the top, divided by 2 raised to n. Can I do this? Okay, fine. Then can I do, what is 42 are 80 na? If I want, I can actually do it minus 80 divided by 2 raised to n. It will still give me a correct answer. I don't have to make it as complicated the way they did it over here. No, there is a problem with that minus sign, I think. Yeah, I think the main problem here is the minus sign. This minus sign over here. Sorry, my one will not be happening over here. Let me see the answer. Let me pause the video. Let me see it again. I'm moving to the next question. Zoom out. Let's do this. Okay, now this is you're supposed to do. The second term of the geometrical sequence is 4 and fourth term is 8. This is very easy. They said the second term is 4 and the fourth term is 8. Given that the common ratio is positive, so they gave us common ratio, find the exact value of 11th term. Acha. Can you see there are two unknowns here? What? One is the first term. First term is unknown and common ratio is also unknown. Okay, they said second term. Na, can I do AR raised to 2 minus 1? AR raised to 2 minus 1. Can you guys do this? Okay. What is the second term? 4. So that means AR is equal to how much? 4. This is your equation number 1. Then they said the fourth term. Fourth term means what? AR raised to cube. 4 minus 1 is cube, na? AR cube is equal to 8. Okay, so they said AR cube is equal to 8. Okay, you have equation number 1. You guys have equation number 2. Two simultaneous equation. Find me the value of A and R. Okay, I'll pause the video. So you guys were able to do. You guys were able to do this. Find the R value, which is root 2. Find the A value, which is 2 root 2. Okay, and 11th value you guys got 64 root 2. All of you were able to do this on your own. Okay, fine. Kara second online. Salma, Imo, guys, Rafiq, Kalib.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Now let's go to this one. This is a very important question. Let me start the record. Oh, recording is there already. Now, the number 3, x and x plus 6 are form of first 3 geometrical sequence. So, what's the first term here? 3. Second term, x. Third term, x plus 6. Now, they want us to find the possible values of x. Nothing much, just possible values of x. So, what you would have done at this point? Okay, you know that the common ratio is constant. That means if I do second value divided by first value, that will be equal to third value divided by the second value. Yes or no? All understood? Okay, they said these are the 3 terms of geometric sequence. Find the value of x. Now, you know the second value divided by the first value is equal to third value divided by the second value. So now
Yes.
this find the answer of x. I'm pausing the video. Okay, so you guys got the answer -3 or 6, but they said your sequence is what? Positive. So it is going to be 6. Now they're saying find the 10th term of the sequence. You know A, 6. You know A is 3. You know R, which is what? No. R is what? X is 6. R is not 6. R you're supposed to find. Sorry guys, I got disconnected for some reason. B 1536. Yes, B is 1536. That is the answer. Understood? Everyone understood?
Yes.
Everyone got it? Everyone got it? Yeah? Okay, fine then. Okay, so you guys were all able to do this. Fine. You don't need my help over here. Fine then. Okay. They said, what is the first term, guys? What is the first term in geometric progression 3, 6, 12, 24 to exceed 1 million? They are saying that at what term, when you have to find the n value, at what term will your the number will be 1 million, like 3, 6, 12, 24 korte till 1 million, not total. They did not say the word total. There was a 1 million ta কত number এ আসবে এরকম যদি রিপিট করতে চাও তুমি, if you keep on multiplying by 2. So you have to write it this way: ar raised to n minus 1, ar raised to n minus 1 should be greater than 100,000, 10,000, million, 1 million. What's up? Okay, once 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Short as 0. Okay, a হচ্ছে 3, r হচ্ছে 2. We have to find n minus 1 should be greater than 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. You have to now find for n. How many of you guys did logarithm with me over here? Most of you guys did logarithm except for Mehak, if I'm not wrong. সবাই logarithm করতে আমার সাথে এখানে. Yeah? Yes. So yeah, so you guys will be able to do this on your own. I'm pausing the video. Hint, আমি দিচ্ছি logarithm. আচ্ছা okay, এখানে দেখো তোমরা, let's continue over here guys. Focus. Can I do 2 raised to n minus 1 greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 3? ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে? Why divide this 3 cross multiplication? 3 cross multiplication? Yes or no? Okay, guys, fan is fit. Then, can I do n minus 1? Can I do log on both the side? Eta ki bole? Log on both the side. Log to the base 10, open bracket, 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 3. Do this in your calculator. Do this in your calculator, n minus 1. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only AC if you're feeling hot. Press the button. Thank you.
Bro,
Hey, bolo. I'm doing it. Don't worry. Cross multiplication. Upper step to the tuta. If you are multiplying log on both the sides, this becomes this thing na multiplication na the power. Eta mehak bujhbe na. You need to see the logarithm video for that. Okay. So you have to do this in your calculator. Check how much you guys are getting. Now, anyone who didn't understand, put this in your calculator and see what you guys are getting. Anyone want an explanation in the steps or not from me? Tell me that. Anyone want explanation on the steps from me? I'm pausing the video. Once you're done, let me know. So most of you guys are able to what? Able to do this sum. I don't have to do further. You should get answer 20. 20. Okay, she didn't understand because I have to now do whole log chapter with her. So that I'll do later on, if I get time. Okay, now you're gonna check karo. Let's go with okay, these things are done. Geometrical sequence, right? I'm not doing these things with you all. I don't need it. Okay, now we will come to these kind of questions. You guys are supposed to know some formula. So these are the some. Wait. We learned arithmetic what again? You come and sit over here. I don't have time for all this. Can I please focus on the studies over here? Okay, so you have Sn over here, A open bracket. Look at this and look at this over here. These are the two formulas of sum you guys are supposed to know of geometric sequence. Sum mane ki, total. Total. If they tell you geometrical sequence total find kotte, you have two formulas here. So, bhaiya, why do I have two formulas? Okay. First one you have to use if your common ratio is less than 1. And second one you have to use if your common ratio is greater than 1. So there are two formulas. Okay. You guys know what each of the formula means. Sn means total. Sn means total. A mane first term, R mane common ratio, N mane you guys know everything. Okay. Anybody so how many formulas are there? Two formula. First formula you have to use if your R is less than 1. It is written over here. Hint. It is written over here. First one if R is less than 1 and second one if R is greater than 1. Everyone online. Got this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, write it down. Let me pause the video. Resume recording now. Okay. So these are the two formulas we know. Okay. They said you to prove this. Okay. I only told you the proving thing I'm not teaching. You guys are supposed to bahar this on your own. How to prove this. So please, for 4 marks it comes. You have to bahar this and come. Okay. Yeah. This counts for 4 marks. Yeah. How this formula was derived in the first place. You guys are supposed to learn this and come for me. Yes, it does come in the examination. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, fine. Page number is why you guys are not going to revise from the textbook again? Page number 92. Page number 92, the sum is there. Okay, let's talk about example 13 now. Okay, in the example 13 they want the sum of all this. Okay, now what is the common ratio here? Common ratio is 3. Common ratio is 3. Okay, fine. So you got your what's the first term? 2. So common ratio of 3 is greater than 1. Yes. If they want you to find the what? Sum. How many terms? 10 terms. Fine, 10 terms, na? What's your n? 10. But which formula will you use here? Second one. Because your r is greater than 1. So use this formula, second one, to find the sum of A part, 13A part. Try on your own. Let me know. So you guys were able to get this answer on your own, right? 59048 by using this recording. So you guys were able to do 59048. I had some disturbance with the Zoom thing. Now, can you guys do B part for me? B part, find the common ratio. They want you to find from 1024 to 1. How much ever value comes if you add them all? What will be your sum? But they did not give me any n value. Find the n value. How? AR raised to n minus 1 equals to 1 kore. AR raised to, and what is A over here by the way? 1024. Okay, AR raised to n minus 1. You know the values are decreasing here, right? Can you see that? Values are decreasing here now. So this is your A value. This is your last value. At what term does the last value occur? Basically, 1024 into R. What is your R here? Minus 512 divided by 1024. Do that. No, minus 0.5. Okay. Minus 0.5 raised to n minus 1. How much value is it? Last value koto? 1. Well, last value kon term mein ashe. That's what they are looking for. Understood? The last value at what term does it come? Okay. Tell me, you guys have to solve this with the help of most probably log. Is it? Yes, you have to use log and find for me at what term does the 1 value comes. If you keep on decreasing, at what term, nth value, which nth value does 1 comes? Find that for me. After that, I'll guide you further. Online. Let me resume. Okay, some of you guys got stuck in that negative sign thing, na? So let me just do it in the next page. Wait. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so if I open this bracket, can I do minus 0.5 raised to n minus 1 equals to 1 divided by 1024, right? Okay, so if I multiply log, okay, now if I do this, can I do minus 0.5 raised to n into 0.5 raised to minus 1? right?
minus 0.5.
Yeah, minus 0.5. Yes, minus 0.5. Okay, fine then. So how much is it? 1 divided by 1024. You can put this over here, 1024 into 0.5 raised to minus 1, whatever. And then we have to do the log thingy. Now this logarithm log thingy, it's negative things are making things complicated over here. But okay, let me still keep it like this. 0.5 raised to n minus 0.5 raised to n is equal to 1 divided by 1024 na into 0. Again 0.5 the other. Why? The 0.5 will go up, right? Understood, right? Yeah. Okay. Now do this in your calculator. How much you guys are getting? 0.5 raised minus 0.5 raised to n now. What?
1 by 2.
Okay. Maria wants a brief explanation. Let me do it. Wait. Let me show you to you. How did this happen? Minus 0.5 raised to n divided by 0.5. Now you agree? Is equal to 1024. So it got cross multiplied. Go on the other side. So minus 0.5 raised to n is equal to 0.5 divided by 1024. Okay. So now if you want to do log, after this you can do log on your own. Just check whether we are getting the answer or not. Let me just see this. Okay, now what you were saying, na? Tumhe kiche bolte chile? Ahmed. Now I think can I do minus n log 0.5? Understood? Minus n log 0.5 হবে most probably. I need to check this. How much is 0.5 divided by 1024? 1 by 2048. Okay, you have to multiply log also now on this side. Yeah. Okay, do this divide by 0.5 and check what is the answer you guys are getting. Do this in your calculator and check.
Minus 0.5 raised to minus 1.
What a minus. Oh, okay. Well said. This is minus, na? Here also it is minus, right? So negative number is what? Matter. Okay, let me. Where there is a minus. Yeah, you can do that. This minus and that minus, na? Yeah, that is also correct. Okay, so here there is a minus here. Okay, so this minus and this minus will get cancelled. Yeah, there is your answer. Got? The minus will get cancelled. Scroll up. Check whether you're getting exactly the same answer in this method. More up? Fine. You want to copy? Check this. Let me pause the recording. Let me do it on my own way first. Finish it, then only. Okay, do this in your calculator. You guys will give me the numbers now. N is equal to log to the base 10, 1 by 2048 divided by log to the base 10, 0.5. Got this? Answer n is equal to 11. You guys got, na?
Yes.
N is equal to 11. Everyone, Sujata, Shirin, Salma, clear, na?
Yes.
Rafiq, Imu.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now just come and check over here. Look, what are the numbers they gave you? Again, key number this is check karo. 1024. A. You have your A with you. You have your R with you. You have what? N also. So which equation? What is your R here?
Minus 0.
Less than 1. So less than 1 hole kon formula? First one. So use the first formula over here. Understood? Fine. So start doing it. N is equal to 11. Do it. Then I will help you if you cannot do it on your own. So some of you guys are able to do this. Okay, on your own. 683. I just want to confirm, is everyone done with it or not? 683. Everyone got? Online, everyone got. Please say.
Yes.
Imu done. Galib, Shireen, Salma, Sujata.
Yes.
Fine then. And I'm moving on. Let's go to the next one. They gave you here, you have to find the value of n. Okay. Is this a negative one? No, it is not the negative one. Okay. Try to do this on your own. They say the sum should, let's say you are saving 1. Then basically you are doubling your number after every term. You're doubling the number. See, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. the sum, at least value such that the sum of this total should cross, how much is it? 2 million. Okay, so greater than 2 million, it should. At what term of n? Again, whenever such questions comes, you know you have to give logarithm, right? So use logarithm and try to do this, but use the sum formula. And r is greater than 1 over here. R is greater than 1. Try. Pause recording. Now we are recording. Now look here. They are saying sum. Now sum er formula kichilo amake bolo kyo. Sn equals to, what is it? A open bracket, huh?
R raised to n
R raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, right? What is the r value? 2. R value is 2, na? So sum of how many terms are there? 11 terms, right? And we, no. How many terms are here, by the way? We don't know. N. Okay, the value should be greater, na? So what is your A? 1. What's your R? 2. 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 should be greater than 2 million. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Fine. After this, 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 1 greater than 2 million. Fine. Okay. Bring this on the other side. 2 raised to n greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. Understood? Yeah. This thing, Shirin, after that, can't you do? Now what?
Yeah, I can.
Can you do log on both the side after this? You have to log on both the side and log 2 greater than log of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is the one. Correct? Now start doing this. After this, you can do on your own. Check. Answer should be greater than 21. 21 should be your answer, na? N should be 21. Check. Let me pause the video. Next one. Okay, so you guys are done. So this one also explanation is over. Fine then. And it's what, 21 times. Okay, fine. Now, is that geometrical sequence over or not? Let's see. Okay, I have some practice. Okay, I have some homeworks to give you guys because I see the time is almost over. Okay, please do exercise 5D. Like exercise 5D, question number 7, please. Exercise 5D, question number 7. P2, page number 93. Page number 93. P2, page number 93, P2, exercise 5D, question number 7. Okay, then let's see. Question number 7. Try question number 11 also. Do this homework and come. Question number 7 and question number 11. Do this homework and come. Now we are going to learn about sum to infinity. We are going to learn about chop. Sum to infinity we are doing now. Okay. Listen, there are two kinds of this thing is there. You're supposed to know. If your number is getting bigger and bigger, and if it continues forever, for example, if it continues forever, we call it sum to infinity. If you keep on adding them. Okay. There are two kinds such series are there. One is known as divergent and one is convergent. Okay. Now, they said what? You can work out some of the first n terms of the geometric series. As n tends to infinity, the sum of the series is called sum to infinity. Consider the sum of n terms of geometric series so and so. The terms of this series are getting larger, so n tends to infinity. Sn also tends to infinity. This is called divergent series. Now, so you know what is the divergent? Divergent means when your numbers are increasing. Okay. Now consider the sum n terms of geometric series which is decreasing. Can you see the number is decreasing? Yeah. The terms of this series are getting smaller as n tends to infinity. Okay. Sn gets closer and closer to finite value as infinity. This is called convergent series. Okay. I think I'm infinity should the convergent series fine as far as I remember. The geometric series is called convergent if and only your R is less than 1. You will call it convergent if your common ratio is less than 1, where R is the common ratio. So if you want to find the term, I don't think you need to learn how to prove it. Okay, this is the S infinity formula for a convergent geometric series. Okay, sir? For a convergent geometric series, S infinity is A divided by 1 minus r. You guys got this, the formula? If I ever say you to find the s infinity, this is the formula you guys are supposed to use. Okay, done? Convergent is when your number decreases. When your common ratio is less than 1. If your common ratio is less than 1, it's convergent. Understood? Okay, fine then. Okay, so let's start with this one now. Example 15. Okay, formula. Check the formula. S infinity is a divided by 1 minus r. No, divergent আমরা করব না infinity. No, Ashwin. Okay, example 15. The fourth term of a geometric series is this, and the seventh term is this. So they give you the fourth term and the seventh term. You have to show that the series is convergent. How do you show series is convergent? If your r is less than 1, that means you are supposed to find common ratio. How? By making equations. Fourth term they give you a raised to 4 minus 1. What? Then seventh term they give you a raised to 7 minus 1. দুইটা equation পাবে, solve করো, r value find করো. If your r is less than 1, then that is the answer. It's a convergent series. Try doing it. Let me pause the video. Okay, so a part some of you guys were able to do. Then a part is very easy to do. Okay, see how they did it. They made two equations, and if you want, you can do substitution method also. Now, then they said sum to infinity. All you have to do is just use this formula. That's it. A, you know a. I'm pretty sure a, you got it from the first equation. A, you got the a, you have the r with you. Find sum to infinity. I'm pausing the video. So you guys were able to understand this on your own. Okay, so end of the class for today. Tomorrow we will continue the geometric series concept more. Okay.